DU is hosting the first ever Khelo India Beach Games, and we have with us Dhyanchand awardee Tripti Murgunde. Tripti, how do you look at the idea of developing DU as a beach games destination, and how do you like DU?
I think fantastic. I would say fantabulous. I think that would be a good adjective to use. And fortunately, I was here at the first edition, which was, hosted last year. And it was, they are the amazing host, I would say. They has always been a wonderful host, and now with collaborating with Khelo India, it brings in even more power and becomes much more stronger. The whole idea of Prime Minister, to get sports into you, whether it is, excelling in sports or it is as a fitness mode, I think it's a fantastic move.
Khelo India is basically to develop the sports at the grassroots level. What will be your message to all the participants of Khelo India Beach Games?
I would say, this is one of the best platform. We've got it. This is our Prime Minister's vision, and it has been successful, and it's been there for many years now. And it is every single time, it is, every single time we see every new Khelo India coming up. It started with Khelo India Youth Games, then we have the University Games, we have the Winter Games, Para Games, and now the Beach Games. So slowly we, as our Minister Sir also was saying, we'll have tomorrow Khelo India Tribal Games, Northeast Games. So this is what we need more and more. And to the players, the Khelo India players, I would say I think this is the platform for you. This is the best opportunity to come and show your talent. Just enjoy it, and I'm sure your success will come through.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Tripti Murgunde is elated that the umbrella of Khelo India Games is getting wider day by the day, and it's a great opportunity for the upcoming talented players of the country. With camera person Ajit, this is Suchitra reporting for DD India from DU.